So basically for this science experiment, all that you need is vinegar, baking soda, and food coloring. Sawyer, get in your chair, buddy. And you basically take the baking soda, spread it around on a baking sheet like so. You take food coloring and you put drops all over, and then you're going to use a dropper like you would use for baby Tylenol or something like that, and you're gonna drop vinegar on each of the dots and watch it fizz. So we are going to get started. All right, sit down, buddy.
What color shall I choose? I shall choose purple.
All right, let's watch it. Ooh, look at it go. That is pretty cool. Yeah, that's awesome. Look at that. All right, do you want to do one more?
Yeah, I'll do one more.
Okay, we'll let her have one more turn.
Okay, I'll touch.
Oh, you don't have to put the whole thing. You can just put a little bit.
No, don't touch.
Hey.
Well, that's the baking soda if you touch it.
It's all right.
It's a bubble. I'll do red. Red.
All right, that's enough, Liz. You don't have to put the whole. You can just put a tiny bit. Is that cool?
I just wanted to do
Oh, that's okay.
I'll touch it. Can you touch it? I'll touch it. No, you guys can't touch it.
All right. Now let's give Rosiie a turn.
All right, I'll go up a little bit. All right, you're gonna choose a color and you're gonna squirt it.
Ooh. That is so cool.
Wow. It goes into a big bubble.
Do you want to do another color?
Yeah. What color? Stop touching. Buddy, no.
Do you know how to do it?
I know. Colors. Alright. My colors. You guys, no. Don't eat that. Don't eat baking soda. Mom, is baking soda bad for you?
No.
Oh, okay.
But
I don't want to eat it.
I mean, it's not gonna taste very good.
Don't squirt all of it. Squirt a little bit. I did too much.
All right, Rosiie, pick one more
Pick
color.
another color. Squirt a little bit. A little bit. A little bit more.
Just you can do the whole thing because she's not putting enough.
You need help?
Whoa.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, now let's help Sawyer do it.
All right.
On one. Do you want to go ahead and
Stop
be in
it,
charge
buddy.
of filling?
No. You're messing it up. Sawyer, which color do you want? Colors. This one?
What color do you want to do, buddy?
This one. Okay. Can I touch it when it flows? No. Don't touch it. Touch it. Don't touch it, guys. All right. One more for Sawyer. Go away. Which other color do you want? Colors. Which color?
Which color? You gotta pick one.
I'm gonna pick one for this one. That one? Okay. Oh.
Wow.
Stop touching it, guys.
Cool.
All right, my turn again. Don't eat it, dude. No,
Oh, and look, they're mixing and they're making
I touch it.
kind of like other colors.
Whoa! It feels weird. Feels like spongy. Okay. Yeah. Don't touch it. Oh, you guys. Gray. Mix together colors.
All right,
Okay.
Rosiie, do you want to do another one?
Okay. Which color? Pick your color, Rosie. Colors. It's yellow. Swear you can't touch it like every single time.
He's
He's like, I want to touch it like every time.
because it looks so cool.
Yeah, but it feels weird when you touch it. Buddy, don't touch.
Alyssa, help her hold the drop up,
Okay.
please.
Oh, Oh, she filled it up.
Good job, Rosie. You did it.
All right.
You did it.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh.
It's okay.
Look at that.
Whoa. Ooh, I make
That's
it
pretty
yellow.
cool.
All right. No, don't do the same color. Pick a different.
Hey, she could do whatever color she wants.
I know, but she was touching the same one. Oh, here.
Dude,
Fill it out.
this one.
To finish that. Here,
Go
I'll
see.
finish it. Whoa.
Okay, so now we are going to take the bowl and just pour it over the rest.
All right.
Kind of make sure you get it evenly so that it gets...
3, 2, 1.
Oh. 3 waters.
Wow.
This is cool.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Whoa, look at all the colors mixing. And all the spongy. Whoa.
How does it feel?
Cold. It feels cold.
When it was fizzing, what did it feel like?
Well, when it fizzes, it... Oh. Look. Wait. I need vinegar.
Cool.
Get some
You're going to make a
more
handprint?
Are you using some of my purple?
All right, guys, so that's just a really easy little science experiment that you can do. The vinegar and the baking soda create a fizzing, and you can have fun mixing the different colors and stuff as well. Thank you for watching our video. Do you guys want to say bye to our followers or our viewers?
Guys.
Say bye, Sawyer.
Have fun.
Sawyer, say bye, buddy.
I guess he doesn't want to.
Okay, he's not going to say bye, but that's okay.